Hey guys, this is Josh. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get books from Amazon Prime Reading. You could also read on your Kindle devices. So first is you want to log in your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in to the Amazon website, and then in here in the search bar, search Prime Reading. So after you search Prime Reading, you're going to see this icon right here. You want to click on it. All right. So after clicking on it, you see the collection. So let's just say I choose this, and then I want to read it. So let's go to the buying options, then see all. So you're gonna be taken to this page, and there's a small secret right here. So as you can see, this title is also available to read for free with Prime, in which we have a Prime membership, and then read free with our app. So after this step, after you scan this with your mobile device or your Kindle device, you're already on your way to reading the book. So that's how easy it is to get books from Amazon Prime Reading. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Josh. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are up to date with our daily uploads. I'm going to see you on the next one.